Hello to all viewers of our screencast with the title Embedding Content of Magento Product Catalog in External Websites. Our names are Thorsten Schulze, Falko Drobny, and Robert Klende. An effective way of advertising is the presentation of your newest products in other websites, so you can reach much more people. In this screencast we want to show you a quite easy way to do this by using the existing RSS functionality of Magento and a special PHP script. The main goal of this screencast is to show you how to work with a RSS converter script that we have written to convert RSS data in HTML. Only basic knowledge in HTML, CSS and PHP is required to perform the working steps. At first you should set up a local web development environment. This includes an active Apache web server. I'm using the XAMPP package, and a development environment or editor for writing HTML and PHP. I prefer NetBeans. You don't need to write a new PHP script. We have written down a script package that works very well. To get the RSS converter, you must visit our webshop on netglue.de/Magento and then search for Magento RSS converter. Then download it and unzip the package data. To customize the data with an IDE, it could be necessary to copy it in a special directory on your PC. Now I want to explain you the included data. The package contains a PHP script you can see here. To generate a complete HTML document, this script uses CSS style data of this folder and images from the folder images. Now we can go on with the editing of the PHP script. I already have started my NetBeans environment and loaded the files in it. The main file is surely the PHP script, so I will show you the main functionality of it. We wanted you can understand the functionality of the PHP script in an easy way, so we've written down useful comments within the source code. At first, I will give you a short overview of the structure. At the end of the script is the HTML output. Above is the part with the PHP functions. Here you can see the main function that generates the main part of the HTML structure. Because a detailed description of all functions will take too much time, I will only explain some other important functions later. The content which is generated can be customized by some parameters that are given with the URL request of the PHP script by using the get method. So we have global variables on the top of the script. Now I will show you how parameter information can be transferred to the script. For this, I have opened my web browser. Here you see the URL of the script, which is running on my local web server. To send information to the script, you can add get parameters at the end of the URL. We have the parameters cat, lang, cron, and style. Cat means category. Category is the ID of the store view, which means the chosen category or subcategory of the Magento product catalog. It can be differ from one Magento system to another. To find out which ID is right, go to your webshop. Choose the wished category. Now click on Subscribe to RSS feed, and here you can see the right ID of this RSS feed. The parameter lang means a chosen language. German and English are implemented. It only affects the language of some displayed words. The parameter quant determines the number of displayed products. And at last but not least, the parameter style. This parameter changes the main color of the displayed HTML document. This could help you to individualize the design and bring it in line with your requirements or styling concept. The most important step is to adjust the RSS URLs. These must be in harmony with your Magento system. Without this adjustment, the script captures no or incorrect RSS data. So go to the function named RSS_select in the script and adapt the variable feed URL. To find out the correct URL, I also look to the URL of the RSS, which I have already chosen. Only the part until this slash is needed. I copy it on this place in the script. You have to do the same with your URL. And if you want to use your own images and CSS data, it could be necessary to adapt some paths in the functions. Get style, you can see here, and headline select, here. Now the script should work. I will test it. For this step I have prepared a simple HTML document with an iframe. Because it runs on my local web server, I can open it with a local path. Now I check it for errors and adapt the source code if needed. I see it works very well. Now it's your task to customize the script, images and styling. When you think the design is in line with your requirements, you can upload all included files to a suitable directory on your web server. This could be the same web server on which Magento is installed. When the upload was successful, everyone has the possibility of calling up the script by a web browser. Because the main goal is the advertisement of your products on our websites, the generated content should be integrated via iframe in partner websites. Give the URL of the uploaded PHP script and needed parameters to a provider of your partner site. Now it's the task of this provider to integrate it in iframe on his page. Here your work ends, and we hope it was successfully. Thanks for your attention.